If a global war erupts, it will be unlike anything the world has ever seen. Undoubtedly, those innocent souls will look back at us with contempt. They will lament why their forefathers let their egos and selfish ways drive them toward destructive wars that left their future generations physically, emotionally, and economically crippled. So my ardent request and message to the world is that we must set aside our differences and work tirelessly to foster peace in society. We must urge our political leaders that instead of propelling our nations towards war, and rather than raising the temperature through threats of retribution and violence, they should endeavor to cool the tensions through diplomacy and wisdom. From the depths of my heart, I pray that the world is saved from all forms of destruction and devastation. I pray that the long shadows of war and bloodshed that hover above us give way to everlasting blue skies of peace and security.